Internetworking. Internetworking is combined of two words, inter and networking, which implies an association between totally different nodes or segments. This connection area unit is established through interser devices akin to routers or gateways. The first term of associative degree internetwork was Catenet, CATENET. The interconnection is often among or between public, private, commercial, industrial, or governmental network. Thus, associate degree internetwork could be an assortment of individual networks connected by intermediate networking device that functions as a one-gain network. Internet networking refers to the trade, products, and procedures that meet the challenge of making and administrating internetworks. To enable communication, every individual network node or phase is designed with similar protocol or communication logic, that is transfer control protocol or internet protocol. Once it is with another network having instant communication procedure, it is called internetworking. Internetworking was designed to resolve the matter of delivering a packet of information through many links. There is a minute difference between extending the network and internetworking. Merely exploitation of either a switch or hub to attach to local network is an extension of LAN, whereas connecting them via the router is associate degree example of internetworking. Internetworking is enforced in layer 3 network layer of OSI model. The foremost notable example of internetworking is that internet. There are chiefly three units of internetworking. They are extranet, intranet, and internet. Intranet and extranet might or might not have connection to the net. If there is a connection to the net, the computer network or extranet area unit is usually shielded from being accessed from the net if it is not authorized. The net is not, though, about to be a section of the computer network or extranet, though it should function as a portable for access to parts of associate degree extranet. Extranet. It is a network of internetwork that restricted in scope to one organization or entity. However, that additionally has restricted connection to the networks of one or a lot of different sometimes. However, not essentially. It is lowest level of internetworking, usually enforced in a exclusively personal area. Associate degree extranet may additionally be classified as a MAN or WAN. Abbreviation for MAN is Metropolitan Area Network and abbreviation for WAN is Wide Area Network, or different form of network. However, it cannot encompass one local area network. That is, it should have a minimum of one reference to associate degree external network. Intranet. This associate degree computer network could be a set of interconnected networks which explores the internet protocol and uses IP-based tools again to web browsers and FTP tools, that is, underneath the management of one body entity. That body entity closes the computer network to the remainder of the planet and permits solely specific users. Most typically, this network is an internal network or a corporation of different enterprises. An outside computer can usually have its own internet server to supply users with browsable data. Internet. A selected internet networking consisting of a worldwide interconnection of governmental, academic, public, and personal networks based upon the advanced analysis comes agency network developed by